ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka seng Congress ka basyong hakalyang persya jong ka ying dorbar kala Kynnoh baka jing Phah jong ka Sorkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam de ka seng san prathai Bharatiya Janata Party ya ki Union Minister shiki jilla jong ka than shatai lam mi ni but hagani ka jilla Meghalaya kalong tang ban shu Syntiat ya ka Kolshor ne ka lariti jong ki Reolum Ritpaid ba Hakajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ula Kynnoh shushu da kabaong bakajing wan yu kejat jong ki menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng hagani ke jilla Meghalaya kamshim la ajing mentoy AA ruem Henry kasulong tang ban shuwan Syntiat bat Ritpaid no sha Delhi hagajo ko por uba Pala ula Kynnoh ru ikajing wan jong menteri ka tanat ki kampo ying kari u Amit Shah da kabaong bakajing wan jong u shagani ke jilla kala penmi penban ye kajing kulma hakaput ke jilla Meghalaya bat Assam bat shushu lo Kynnoh bakane ke jingwan kha jong ki menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng kala long penban kum ke jing penlut phut ye ka playa rong jong ke Sorkar jilla.
So the visit given by Prime Minister to visit, not to help, so it's just like they come here to spy our culture, they do, but they don't help. Any minister, have you ever heard a minister came here, give a sanction? No. Have you ever heard a minister, home minister came here to help the people? No. Rather when he came here, the fighting starts in the border. Today he came here, tomorrow fighting starts in the border. That means he has a pre-plan. So the visit of the ministers here is nothing but to give more burden to the state exchequer. They enjoy the security, they enjoy the lavish life, staying in a five-star hotel, staying in Pinewood, staying in the governor's house, and they came back next day. So there's nothing which they have helped us. I think it's totally wrong, and I've written a letter to the Prime Minister. I told the Prime Minister, employment is very high in the Northeast. Why not open a border between India and Bangladesh more? For example, that day I met the minister, I told him, Bholaganj, today Bholaganj, only 400 vehicles are allowed every day. And it is supposed to be manned by a local police, but manned by a BSF. What's the role of BSF? BSF is supposed to look after the border. What is their role to check the vehicle? It's difficult for them. They take half an hour to check the vehicle, to know the names and all. Remove those police, remove those BSF, put the police. In Dauki, they have done that. There's an increase now in Dauki, almost more than 1,000 vehicles in a day, whereas in Bholaganj only 400 vehicles in a day. And it's a harassment to them. I've written to them, but I'm telling you, Prime Minister has already acknowledged my letter, but no action till date. Number two, the border of India and Bangladesh via Meghalaya, we could have done lots of employment if we give to people. Not only export our raw material, we can also import. For example, we are getting fish now. We are getting from Agartala. Good fish comes from Bangladesh. Why not from Dauki? That will give employment. We'll sell to Guwahati. We'll sell to Assam. It's very near. Example, even why not we can export our fruits, and lots of restrictions is going in Meghalaya. Whereas they allowed from West Bengal, they allowed from Tripura. There's no special given to us. I personally have written to Prime Minister, written to the Finance Minister, written to the Commerce Minister so on this issue. Allowed us to do. We have lots of limestone. We have not only limestone, we have lots of stones. Assam needs stones, limestones, and other stones are suitable because there's no stone there. We have no problem, we can export it, but allowed us also to import. They have got very good in textiles. Why not we also doing that? So I also to import. They have got very good in textiles. Why not we also doing that? So I think the government is not serious in development. The government is serious only in influencing our people, try to see our culture, to know each other so that they can influence the religion in the north.